Okay folks, hi, I'm Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I already did an intro video, and on it I was going to tell you I'll make more videos. So what I'm trying to do here for all my members is to take my 47 plus years of basic knowledge and advance and sum it up to some very simple ways of doing things. One, like I told you about the word mechanic right here. First four letters is M-E-C-H. I'm going to break it down to you. First one is mechanical. Mechanic. So, well, there's two types of mechanical movement. One is rotary, or rotates. And that's called bidirectional right here. That means it spins both ways. If you see this, it only spins one way. If you see that, it spins that's clockwise, clockwise, counter. CCW, CW, CW. I'm also going to make some papers for you to download on Google Documents, so you have this, but I'm just doing a video. Alright, so if you ever see something on a diagram that looks like this, it's bidirectional. It goes both ways. Alright. Well, anyway, that's the one movement. That would be like a hydraulic pump or electric starter motor, or your awning motor, or your slide motor. Okay. The second is linear, or straight. You can go both ways. That way, left, right. It could be right, horizontal, or vertical. Alright. What that would be like is like a your solenoid on your starter. It pulls in and it kicks the starter gear out. So that's linear. Okay, it's a mechanical movement. It's like the piston in an engine going up and down, right? Straight up and down. But the crankshaft is offset, so it's rotary. The piston goes up and down, it has a rod, and the crankshaft turns. So we're turning mechanical, linear, straight into rotary. So that's real easy right there. Alright, where are we going with that? The next one is E, electrical. Okay, so we'll flip this over. Remember, I'm no video specialist or nothing. Of course, I hit everything in the back. It's back here. Electric. Okay, that's real easy. There's two types. There's a DC and there's an AC. Alright, that's direct. And of course, alternating. Remember, I don't need you to remember all this stuff. I just remember the word mechanic, M-E-C-H. I'm trying to get you used to that. Alright, now, the DC can take electricity, make mechanical movement. Alright, can make rotary or straight. Same way with the AC. Well, you remember these two guys. One of them was called Ohm's Law and all that good stuff. But Tesla, the guy, dealt with AC electricity. It's more efficient than DC, even over short lengths. Thomas Edison tried to get everything to be DC, but he couldn't get it to go far. Alright, so DC is actually harder more power than AC. I can get almost twice as much done with AC than I can in DC. But in an RV, in any type of vehicle actually now, we have AC and DC. So basically your AC is 120 volts, we call back voltage AC. Volt AC, 120. I know a lot of you say 110, but there's a reason, 120. And DC is basically 12 volt DC. Notice we have the V. It's still being represented, alright? Alright, so now you have the C of them, M-E-C. You have the C word. C is for chemical. It also means something else, but right now we're just going to go along the line of M-C-H. C equals chemical. Take, for instance, like the battery. Alright? The battery itself has a liquid in it, which is hydraulics. We'll get to that. It has a chemical in it that produces electricity. Back to the word E. It mainly makes DC for starting your motors, your lights, LED lights, starting your engine, gas or diesel, your slides. Alright, so we're all going back to that, but remember, C is for chemical. Alright, the last one is M-E-C-H. H is hydraulics. I think there's a U in there, hydraulic. But I'm not the best speller, but there's a U in there. I forgot to put it in. Alright, so we can do this. M-E-C-H. Alright, let's take the battery, right? It's hydraulic, it's got fluid in it. That's what hydraulic is, the study of fluids. I don't want you to remember all this, I'm just trying to make something very easy for you to do. We're going to take the battery, 12 volt battery in an RV. It's hydraulics in it, has a chemical. It produces electricity. Okay? That there actually makes electrons movement. Alright, mechanical movement. We can take electricity and make mechanical things happen. So all these are tied in together throughout the RVs, your cars, your trucks, planes, my favorite, M1 tank. But anyway, those days are gone. So we're going to leave it alone right here at this. I thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We just explained the mechanical rule to you, the M-E-C-H. There is one more. Now we'll take a little break right here. I'll get right back to you. It's called P, the Mechp rule. So Mechp. I just want you to keep that in the back of your head to help you troubleshoot your RV. Thank you once again. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics, Facebook page, and the website www.rvdiagnostics.com. Thank you very much, and I'm out of here.